Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is on tying your rank belt. Now, let's start off. I am going to get us a belt I think will show the details of this process a little bit better than this black belt. So we'll use this one. Now, tie your belt. What we're going to do here, there we go. Open this out. I'm going to take the end of the belt and I'm going to put it right here, right in the middle of my lower back, right in the small of my back. Then I'm wrapping it around to my left once this way, and then I come around and back again and twice. Now this end up in the front here, I'm going to pass under both strands of the belt this way. So it comes up in between the belt and my body, and it pops out the top. Now from here, I'm going to take my right hand, I'm going to reach back behind, and I'm going to gently push down the other end of the belt, the trapped end of the belt, and just bring it down and around this way. So now it's out in front of me. Now from here, I'm going to tug the ends of the belt gently, snug everything up, and you notice the bottom strand here is just a little bit longer than the top strand, and that's just fine. That's exactly what I want. This one is just a couple of inches longer. Now from here, the bottom strand of the belt is going to do all the work. I'm going to bring the top and the bottom right over and under each other. Then the bottom crosses up and over to my left, then comes back over to my right. Now from here, that end of the belt is going to go down through this hole that way. And then I take the ends and I pull them tight like that. So what I'm going to wind up with here, the knot is making a triangle pointing toward my right hand. I get a good firm knot. If it starts to work a little bit loose during class, I can just take the ends and gently tug it tight again. Well, that is how you tie your rank belt. Thank you very much for joining me.